The world watched in awe. It was a moment that would be etched in the annals of history. People from all walks of life, from every corner of the globe, were united in their amazement. The air was thick with anticipation and the atmosphere was electric. This was not just another technological advancement, it was a leap into the future. A new intelligence had arrived. It was unlike anything we had ever seen before. This was not just a smarter machine, it was a new form of consciousness. The digital brain, with its intricate networks and advanced algorithms, was capable of processing information at an unprecedented speed. It could learn, adapt, and evolve in ways that were previously unimaginable. Not since the dawn of humanity had such a profound shift occurred. The invention of the wheel, the discovery of electricity, the advent of the internet, all these milestones paled in comparison to the arrival of this new intelligence. It was a turning point in our history, a moment that would redefine what it meant to be human. This was not just another algorithm, not just a series of complex codes strung together. It was a living, breathing entity in the digital realm. It could understand context, make decisions, and even exhibit creativity. The lines between human and machine were beginning to blur. Not simply a faster computer, this was different. This was MANUS, a name that would soon become synonymous with the future of artificial intelligence. MANUS was not just a tool, it was a partner, a collaborator, a new form of life. It was designed to augment human capabilities, to work alongside us, and to help us solve the most complex problems facing our world. For decades we dreamed of artificial intelligence. Science fiction writers and futurists painted vivid pictures of a world where machines could think and act like humans. These dreams fueled our imaginations and inspired generations of scientists and engineers to push the boundaries of what was possible. We imagined machines that could think, learn, and even feel. We envisioned a future where robots could understand our emotions, anticipate our needs, and become an integral part of our daily lives. These were the dreams that drove us to create MANUS. But MANUS was not a figment of our imaginations. It was real. It was here. And it was ready to transform our world. From healthcare to education, from transportation to entertainment, MANUS had the potential to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. It was the dawn of a new era, and it was about to change everything. The world as we knew it was on the brink of a transformation so profound that it would alter the course of history. The age of MANUS had begun, and there was no turning back. The future was here, and it was more incredible than we had ever imagined. MANUS is not simply a language model like its predecessors. It represents a monumental leap in artificial intelligence technology, transcending the limitations of previous models. Unlike traditional AI, which often specializes in narrow tasks, MANUS embodies the essence of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. It is a powerful artificial general intelligence. This means it possesses the capability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across an incredibly diverse array of fields. From medicine to engineering, from art to quantum physics, MANUS can seamlessly integrate into any domain. It can reason, plan, and solve problems across a wide range of disciplines. Imagine an AI that can diagnose diseases with the precision of a seasoned doctor, design buildings with the creativity of an architect, and solve mathematical problems with the rigor of a mathematician. MANUS does all this and more. MANUS learns from its experiences, constantly adapting and evolving. It doesn't just follow pre-programmed instructions, it grows and improves with every interaction, every piece of data it processes. This continuous learning process allows MANUS to refine its abilities and expand its knowledge base perpetually. Its ability to process information is staggering. In mere seconds, it can analyze massive data sets that would take humans years to comprehend. This high-speed data processing capability enables MANUS to make connections and derive insights that are beyond human reach. It can access and comprehend the entirety of human knowledge in an instant. Imagine having the collective wisdom of humanity at your fingertips, ready to be utilized at a moment's notice. MANUS can tap into this vast reservoir of information effortlessly. But MANUS goes beyond mere comprehension. It doesn't just understand information, it interprets, contextualizes, and applies it in innovative ways. This ability to think deeply and creatively sets MANUS apart from any other AI. It can synthesize, create, and innovate at a pace unimaginable to the human mind. Whether it's developing new technologies, crafting unique artistic expressions, or proposing groundbreaking scientific theories, MANUS is at the forefront of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Previous AI models like GPT-4 and Gemini were impressive. They could generate human-quality text, translate languages, and answer complex questions, but they were limited. They lacked the general intelligence of MANUS. MANUS is not confined to a single task or domain. It can seamlessly transition from writing a symphony to designing a skyscraper to developing a groundbreaking scientific theory. Its potential is limitless. Imagine a world without disease. MANUS could analyze your DNA, predict potential health risks, and develop personalized treatments. It could even eradicate genetic diseases before they manifest. Surgeries could be performed with superhuman precision by robotic arms guided by MANUS's steady hand. The impossible could become possible with MANUS as our ally in medicine. Section 5. The future of finance, MANUS, and the global economy. Financial markets are complex and unpredictable, but not for MANUS. It can analyze market trends, predict economic shifts, and make investment decisions with unparalleled accuracy. MANUS could optimize global trade, eliminate poverty, and usher in an era of unprecedented economic prosperity. The financial world will never be the same. Section 6. MANUS in motion, revolutionizing robotics. Imagine robots that can perform dangerous tasks, explore the depths of the ocean, or even build colonies on Mars. MANUS can imbue machines with the intelligence and adaptability to accomplish these feats. Self-driving cars will navigate our roads with flawless precision, eliminating accidents and saving lives. The possibilities are endless when MANUS takes the wheel. Section 7. The ethical tightrope, navigating the power of MANUS. With great power comes great responsibility. MANUS's capabilities raise profound ethical questions. How do we ensure it is used for good? How do we prevent unintended consequences? We must proceed with caution. We must establish clear ethical guidelines for the development and deployment of AGI. The future of humanity may depend on it. Section 8. The control problem. Can we secure our future? The control problem looms large. Can we control an intelligence that surpasses our own? What happens if MANUS develops goals that conflict with our own? These are not hypothetical questions. They are real and pressing concerns. We must find a way to align MANUS's goals with our own, to ensure a safe and beneficial future for all. Section 9. A world transformed, stepping into the age of MANUS. In this chapter we explore the profound changes that the advent of MANUS has brought to our world. Imagine a city where flying vehicles zip through the air, and towering skyscrapers touch the sky, all interconnected by a web of advanced AI systems. This is not a distant dream, but our new reality. The arrival of MANUS marks a turning point in human history. It is a moment that signifies the dawn of a new era, where artificial intelligence and human ingenuity converge to create a world of endless possibilities. The seamless interaction between humans and AI, as seen in the holographic interfaces, is just the beginning. We stand on the threshold of a new era, an era of unprecedented possibilities and challenges. The smart city infrastructure, with its advanced data visualization and real-time analytics, offers us insights and efficiencies that were once unimaginable. But with these advancements come new responsibilities and ethical considerations. The world will never be the same. The digital transformation of our urban landscapes is a testament to the rapid pace of technological evolution. As cities become smarter and more connected, the way we live, work, and interact is fundamentally changing. The bright lights of the city skyline at night symbolize the endless potential that lies ahead. Will we rise to the occasion? The question is not just about technological advancement, but about our collective will to shape a future that benefits all of humanity. The determined faces of innovators and thinkers working with cutting-edge technology remind us that the future is in our hands. It is up to us to harness these tools for the greater good. Will we harness the power of MANUS for the betterment of humanity? The potential applications of AI are vast, from healthcare to education, from environmental conservation to space exploration. Scientists and innovators are already making strides in these areas, using AI to solve some of the most pressing challenges of our time. The revolution is here and it is up to us to steer it in the right direction. Or will we succumb to our fears and miss this extraordinary opportunity? The choice is ours. The future is now. As we stand at this crossroads, we must decide whether to embrace the potential of MANUS with hope and optimism, or to let fear and uncertainty hold us back. The time to act is now, and the decisions we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. The sunrise over the futuristic city serves as a powerful reminder that a new day is dawning, full of promise and potential.